Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to add a cinematic slow zoom in DaVinci Resolve. So let's get started. First go to edit mode at the bottom of the screen, then move your timeline slider to where you want to slow zoom the start. Then under the video and transform section, click the keyframe button next to zoom. Move the timeline slider ahead a few seconds. Then increase the zoom about 20 points, or you can set whatever you want. To adjust the speed, click the keyframe icon on the timeline. Then here, you can drag the keyframes farther apart for a slower zoom, or drag the keyframes closer for a faster zoom. And that's it. Now you have a smooth, cinematic slow zoom effect. If you found this video tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching!